press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi Varun, welcome to IMW Numbers. Firstly, congratulations in your top two. So what will you say?
Feels great. Feels great to get the second highest votes. But even if I didn't win, it feels better that the person I love the most has won the show because she was the most deserving out here. And उसने मुझे गेम में संभाला, उसने मुझे गेम में समझाया. And I'm glad the most deserving person won the show.
What was the first feeling you managed between you and the top fight between you and Divya?
When I woke up in the morning, तो मुझे feeling आ गई थी कि दिव्या जीतने वाली है. And I knew कि अगर मेरे और दिव्या के बीच में कभी होने वाला तो वो जीतने वाली है. Because I would want her to win. So एक था कि हाँ I want to win, but I know that she will win. So I was in that state, but I'm glad that she won.
We also saw the fights between you and also love between you and Divya.
Yeah.
What do you want to say about this?
तो स्टार्टिंग ऑफ द जर्नी में मैं काफ़ी कंफ्यूज था. मैं काफ़ी एक अलग स्पेस में था. आई डोंट नो कि मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ क्या नहीं कर रहा हूँ. बट दिव्या वॉज देयर टू हेल्प मी. दिव्या वॉज देयर टू एक्चुअली टेल मी कि मैं क्या गलत कर रहा हूँ. एंड मैं वो मानने को तैयार नहीं था जब तक मैंने खुद एक्सपीरियंस नहीं किया. तो दैट्स व्हेयर द फाइट्स हैपेंड. आई वॉज गेटिंग maybe certain hate from the outside world for the things that I was doing inside. And I think Divya figured it out. And she was just saying it for my betterment. तो वो समझने मुझे उसको वो समझते मुझे realize हुआ कि she is actually a great girl and maybe that's why I fell in love with her.
Okay, we will share some rapid things
Cool.
related to the Ace of Spades.
Cool.
The first one is when you get most jealous of with conflict.
Jealousy in terms of competition. Jealousy in terms of competition, I think Divya.
Okay, who was the most annoying person?
The most annoying person on the show was Deepak.
Title for the each and every housemates. At least top 5.
Top 5. I will start with Faizibu. Faizibu, Miss Congeniality. Divya, Miss Perfect. Maisha, my twin. Shehzad, the sweetest guy I've ever met. And Pratik, the angry young cutie. For myself, the guy who never wins a reality show.
Okay, describe your friendship with Chetna.
I think Chetna and me started off as people who were very attracted to each other. Day one when I saw her, I think she was one of the prettiest girl I've ever seen. उसके बाद, when I got to know her, we became better friends. She understood me better, I understood her better. हमारे काफ़ी common interests थे. So we grew as friends, but I still liked her because like she was very pretty. When that confusion came in my mind, कि what is this that I'm feeling for Divya? I spoke to her about it. I told her that Chetna, I'm feeling a certain way. What do I do about it? तो उसने मुझे समझाया as a friend कि Varun, if you feel for Divya, then go out there and tell it to her. Because I'm going to be there with you as a friend. And if it's love for Divya, then just go ahead and tell her. Because love shouldn't be at a hold. You should just go out and tell her. And I'm glad that Chetna was there to tell me कि जाके बोल दे. And मैंने जाके बोल दिया हिम्मत करके. But Chetna actually made me realize a certain thing on the show. There was a part of me that had changed after my last breakup. I was hurt. I was upset. I was heartbroken. तो मुझे लगा कि जो अच्छे लड़के होते हैं उनका दिल टूट जाता है. खराब लड़कों का दिल नहीं टूटता. तो let me try to be the bad boy. Chetna actually made me realize that when you change yourself, the world won't like you. So she actually made me from a bad boy. She made me a good boy. That come back to your senses, come back to being who you are, because people will like you better. So Chetna helped me change for good in life, and I'm glad that I have an amazing friend like her in my life.
Okay, one worst thing you ever had fight with anyone in the Ace of Spades.
I think my worst fight on Ace of Space was with Divya for a thing that I did to her. मैंने उसका रूम स्क्वीज कर दिया था thinking कि गेम के लिए मैं कुछ अलग कर रहा हूँ. तो I wasn't the smartest game player, but I used to think to a different tangent. तो मैंने उसका रूम स्क्वीज कर दिया, उसने लड़ाई कर ली. Then later on I realized कि यार ये तो मैंने गलती कर दी. I had an option of shutting somebody else's room. So वहाँ मेरी गलती हुई थी, but that was probably the worst fight. I felt very low because I realized my mistake and she wasn't forgiving me. So मुझे काफ़ी बुरा लगा था उस टाइम पे.
Okay, best moment.
The best moment was when I was crowned as king and when I got an option to crown Divya as the queen. I think that was really special, and I would always pick her as my queen. And I got a chance to actually crown her, so it was really special.
Okay, I will give you four titles. You have to choose the name. Okay, hook up, date, and marry and kill.
Okay.
So names are Divya, Chetna, Misha, and Ria.
Okay. Um Chetna. Hook up Chetna, date Ria. Marry Divya. Kill Maisha because she's exactly like me and I can't have two people in the same planet who are exactly like me. There's only one Varun.
Okay, how was your bond with the other contestants?
I think my bond with other contestants was amazing. प्रतीक के साथ स्टार्टिंग में मेरी काफ़ी फाइट्स हुई थी बट लेटर इन द जर्नी आई रियलाइज दैट ही इज़ अ वेरी नाइस गाय, ही इज़ अ वेरी स्वीट गाय एंड उसका एक इमेज था दैट ही वांटेड टू पोर्ट्रे टू द पीपल दैट वो गुस्से में रहता है, वो स्ट्रांग है, वो एक्चुअली बहुत स्वीट है, इनोसेंट है, भोला है. सो आई एम ग्लैड दैट साइड केम आउट बिकॉज आई लाइक्ड हिम बेटर लाइक दैट एंड पीपल लाइक्ड हिम बेटर लाइक दैट. एंड बाकी सबके साथ आई वॉज अमेजिंग, आई वॉज हैविंग अ ग्रेट टाइम, आई वॉज प्लेइंग द गेम and my only intention was not to hurt anybody. I did hurt Chetna a little. I'm glad she made me realize, but apart from that, everybody was happy and everybody was like enjoying the whole journey with me. So I'm glad I made amazing friends and amazing family members in the show.
What was your reaction after the Danish that happened?
When Danish का thing happened, when Mastermind came to us, उसने बोला कि he is no more with us. पहले यकीन नहीं हुआ. We were still in the game. वो वहाँ पर 5 दिन पहले हमारे सामने खड़ा हुआ था, हमसे बात कर रहा था. हमें लगा कि यही हमारी दुनिया बन चुकी है, हमें लगा कि इसकी बाहर दुनिया नहीं है. वो एकदम हिट हुआ कि बाहर भी एक दुनिया चल रही है एंड बाहर की दुनिया में व्हेन वी गो आउट, व्हेन वी सी द सनलाइट, वी वोंट बी एबल टू सी दानिश एवर अगेन. एंड वो आज सुबह तक हमको बिलीव नहीं हुआ जब तक हम बाहर एक्चुअली निकलने लगे. वी गॉट अ फीलिंग कि दानिश विल नेवर बी विद अस. आई कैन नेवर हग हिम, आई कैन नेवर से दैट आई लव यू टू हिम. And it's just a bad feeling. He went at such a young age, but I'm glad. You know what? He made everybody smile. He taught everybody how to smile. और एक टाइम में ना हमारा घर टूट गया था. When we heard about that thing, he made us realize that love is a very important feeling, and hate has no space in the world. It's all about love.
Okay, what's plan next?
I'm getting back to my hosting. I'm getting back. I'm going to do a couple of web shows this year. I mean next year in 2019, so watch out for that. बाकी लाइफ चलते रहेगी, enjoy करते रहेंगे, मज़ा आया शो करके.
Last question for you. When the Ace of Space was started, did you expect that you would be ending up in the top 5?
When the show Ace of Space started, I wanted to win. I really wanted to win. But after first week, I was like, अगर मैं 2 weeks और टिक गया तो बहुत हो जाएगा. क्योंकि ये शो मेंटली इतना ट्रेनिंग है एंड अभी तक मैं सब फिजिकल शोज करते आया हूँ विच इज़ ऑल अबाउट स्ट्रेंथ, स्टैमिना, एंड्योरेंस, बट दिस वाज फिजिकली एंड मेंटली ट्रेनिंग. सो आई एम ग्लैड दैट आई रीच्ड द फिनाले एंड जहाँ तक मैं पहुँचा.
Okay, even you thought about the Divya, you will get a good friend and a Chetna also is a good friend.
So Divya, I found love in, and Divya is more than a friend to me. Chetna, I saw when I was young. I saw her in a show called Fana, and I was like love struck by her beauty. On the show, I got to know that she's more than beauty. She's talent, she's hardworking, she is an amazing friend, she is a very down-to-earth person after doing so well in life. So I'm glad that I found 2 amazing people, one my love and 2 an amazing friend, which is Chetna, on the show. Hi, my name is Varun and you're watching IWM Buzz. Thank you so much.